Imagine being able to understand what crypto really is, not in hours, but in just 3 minutes. Whether you've heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs and felt totally lost, stay right here. Because by the end of this video, you will finally get what crypto actually means and how it's shaping the future of money. Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto Loop, where we make crypto simple, smart, and understandable for everyone. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell icon so you never miss a loop in the world of digital finance. Now, let's jump straight into it. Crypto, short for cryptocurrency, is digital money that lives on something called the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a giant digital notebook. Every transaction, every coin, every move is written down permanently. But here's the twist. It's not owned by any one person, company, or government. It's completely decentralized. That means no banks, no middlemen, and no waiting days for transfers. Instead of physical coins or notes, crypto exists as data. You store it in something called a wallet, either online, known as a hot wallet, or offline, called a cold wallet. Each wallet has two keys, a public key, like your username, and a private key, like your password. Lose your private key, and your crypto is gone forever. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created in 2009. It started as a rebellion against traditional banking, offering a system where people could send and receive money directly, anytime, anywhere. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies have emerged, like Ethereum, Solana, and many more, each serving a different purpose. Ethereum, for example, introduced smart contracts, bits of code that automatically execute when certain conditions are met. These are what power DeFi, or decentralized finance, where you can lend, borrow, or earn interest without using a bank. Then there are NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, which represent ownership of unique digital assets like art, collectibles, or even virtual real estate. But that's what most beginners get wrong. Crypto isn't just about buying coins and hoping the price goes up. It's about understanding a completely new system, one where trust is built through code, not corporations. It's the foundation for Web3, a more open and user-controlled internet. Of course, crypto has risks. Prices swing wildly, scams exist, and the technology is still evolving. But learning how it works is your first step toward being part of one of the biggest financial revolutions of our time. For more understanding, you have to learn crypto system completely. If you made it this far, congratulations. You now understand the basics of crypto in under 3 minutes. If this video helped you make sense of crypto, give it a like, share it with a friend who's still confused, and drop a comment with what you want me to explain next. Make sure to subscribe to the Crypto Loop for more short, clear, and powerful crypto lessons every week. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay informed, and always stay in the loop.